Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to clear your search history on YouTube. To clear your search history on YouTube, kindly navigate to the YouTube app on your mobile phone. Allow it to load. As you can see, the YouTube app has
Yesterday
loaded.
was Google I/O,
Click on
the annual
magnifying
developer
glass or
conference
the
where
search
Google desperately
icon
tries to
to view your recent searches. These are my recent searches. Go back, then come to the bottom right.
Google desperately
Click on the profile icon. Click on the setting icon on the top right also. Then you go down, you see YouTube data, your data in YouTube. Click on it. Wait for it to load. It's going to load all your recent YouTube data. As you can see, it has loaded. You scroll down. Then you see YouTube search history. Click on manage your YouTube search history. Wait for it to load. Our YouTube search history has been loaded. You can click on a single search history to delete it, or click on the delete button and delete of all time. So as you can see, it say I should confirm I want to delete it. I'll say yes, I want to delete. Deletion complete. So it has been successfully deleted. If I go back now, go back once more time, go back. If you click on the magnifying glass, as you can see, the search history has been cleared up, so everything is now empty. And that's how to clear your search history on YouTube. If you like this video, kindly like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified when I release new video.